Hi, I'm Drew Taylor with High Resolution Engineering. We supply video system rental kits for corporate events, broadcasts, exhibits, and other live events. We've recently added several MacBook Pro kits to our rental inventory, and what I have in front of me is a MacBook Pro with the all-new M3 Max chip. Very powerful system. We're kitting these up so you'll get everything you need to run a full Millumin production or use with Mitti or powerful keynote machines. So without further ado, let's open this box and check out what's inside. All right, well, this is the box that it shipped in, and we're gonna rip it open and check out what's inside. There we go. Apple sure has some nice packaging, I'll tell you that. Got some pull tabs on the back. Pull a couple of those, set it back down. There we go. A+ for packaging. Very nice. So we've got the computer here. Oh, little screen protector or keyboard protector. This is a very nice piece of machinery. This is like one of the, possibly the most solid computer I've ever held in my hands. Just feels very solid, very well made. Let's see, MagSafe charger. They brought that back with the M3, which is fantastic, the magnetic charger. Always liked those in previous models. Some information here. And power brick. There it is. We're really excited about the power that the M3 Max chip in these new MacBook Pros bring to Millumin for seamless 4K and 8K video playback on events. And in true HRE fashion, we're not just going to send you a laptop. We're sending this out as a full kit solution in the single SKB case that includes 2 MacBook Pros with the M3 Max and all the accessories that you need for a full Millumin production, so nothing's left behind when you're on show site. These kits are available for rental now, shipping across the United States. For more information on the details of what's included in this kit, check out our deep dive video on our M3 Max Millumin kits, and more information on HRE, check out our website at highresolution.tv.